Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to save website in Microsoft Edge. So first things first, let's go to another website. For example, here we have YouTube. If you want to save this one, just click this star button right here. Now you can add it to your different folders. And then just like that, you've added it. Now if you want to customize this bookmark bar, just go to settings and then go to appearance, and now scroll all the way down and then find this option right here. Now you can change it to always, never, and only on news tabs. So if I choose never, it will gone to our browser, and then if I change always, it will back, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.